Let us explore some other Excel features for creating Excel models. In Excel, you can protect cells and sheets to control access to specific areas of your workbook and ensure data integrity. Protecting cells and sheets in Excel is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data and preventing unintended changes. Keep in mind that protection can be applied at different levels, cell, sheet, or workbook, depending on your specific requirements. Named ranges in Excel allow you to assign a meaningful name to a specific cell or range of cells. This makes it easier to refer to those cells in formulas, charts, pivot tables, data validations, and other parts of your workbook. Named ranges in Excel provide a convenient way to make your formulas and references more readable and maintainable, especially in larger workbooks. Filters in Excel allow you to display only the data that meets specific criteria, making it easier to analyze and focus on relevant information. It is a powerful tool for quickly analyzing and extracting specific information from your data. It helps you focus on what matters most in your dataset and facilitates efficient data exploration. Sorting allows you to arrange data in a specific order based on the values in one or more columns. There are different ways to sort data, including sorting by values, sorting by cell color or font color, and sorting by a custom list. Sorting is a fundamental feature in Excel that helps you organize and analyze your data more effectively. Excel offers a wide range of utilities, besides filtering and sorting. These include pivot tables, charts, and graphs, to name a few. In Excel, aggregate formulas are used to perform calculations on a set of values, typically to summarize or analyze data. Some examples are sum, average, count, count A, min, max, SUMIF, SUMIFS, COUNTIF, COUNTIFS. These aggregate formulas are fundamental for data analysis and reporting in Excel. Depending on your specific needs, you can use these functions to calculate various summary statistics and gain insights from your data. Complex Excel formulas are often used to perform intricate calculations, manipulate data, or derive meaningful insights from large datasets. Here are some examples of complex Excel formulas: nested if statements, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and index match, offset, sum product, if error, to name a few. Understanding and utilizing these formulas can help you perform advanced calculations and analysis in your spreadsheets. Excel offers two calculation modes that determine how and when it recalculates formulas in a worksheet. Automatic calculation mode, which is the default. Excel automatically recalculates all formulas in the entire workbook whenever a change is made to the worksheet. This mode is convenient and ensures that all formulas are always up to date. Please be aware that recalculating all formulas can be resource-intensive, especially in large workbooks with complex formulas, and it might slow down the performance. The other calculation mode is manual, where Excel does not automatically recalculate formulas when changes are made. Instead, you must manually trigger a recalculation. This mode can be useful when working with large datasets or complex formulas, as it allows you to control when calculations occur, potentially improving performance. And you need to remember to manually recalculate when necessary, and there is a risk of working with outdated data if you forget to recalculate. Understanding and choosing the appropriate calculation mode based on your workflow and the complexity of your workbook can help optimize the performance and responsiveness of Excel. In Excel, workbook events are triggers or actions that are automatically executed in response to certain occurrences within the workbook. These events allow you to automate processes and perform specific actions based on user interactions or changes in the workbook. Examples of such events include File Open event, which is triggered when the workbook is opened. Useful for initializing settings, loading data, or displaying a custom welcome message. Before Close event, which is triggered before the workbook is closed. Useful for validating data, making last-minute changes, or displaying a confirmation message. Before Save event, which is triggered before the workbook is saved. Useful for validating data, making last-minute changes, or displaying a confirmation message. Sheet Activate event triggered when any sheet in the workbook is activated. It can be used to update information or perform actions when switching between sheets. These are just a few of the workbook events. These events are written in VBA, Visual Basic for applications, and can be accessed by opening the Visual Basic editor, Alt plus F11, and navigating to the This Workbook object under the Workbook project. You can then choose the specific event from the drop-down menu on the right side of the code window. Access control in Excel refers to the management of permissions and restrictions on who can view, edit, or manipulate certain parts of a workbook or worksheet. Excel provides various tools for controlling access and protecting your data. Here are some key access control features in Excel. Worksheet protection. Workbook protection. Cell locking and protection. File encryption. Digital signatures. Password protection for macros. These features help in controlling access to your Excel workbooks and ensuring the security and integrity of your data. Depending on your specific requirements, you can use a combination of these tools to implement effective access control in Excel. Excel modeling is a dynamic and iterative process that involves continuous refinement and improvement. As you gain experience, you'll become more proficient in building models that are accurate, robust, and useful for decision-making.